Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Typeform for qualification to HubSpot, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Typeform account. Select the Typeform you want to use for your subscription process. Click on the Connect panel located on the right side of the screen. Find and select HubSpot from the list of available integrations. Click the Connect button to initiate the integration process. You may need to log into your HubSpot account at this point. Authorize Typeform to access your HubSpot account. Once authorized, you will be redirected back to your Typeform. Next, navigate to the Connect panel again. Choose the Add a HubSpot action option. Select the HubSpot action you want to perform, such as create a contact. Map your Typeform fields to the corresponding HubSpot fields. Ensure that you match each Typeform question to the correct HubSpot property. If you need to create custom properties in HubSpot, make sure to do that beforehand. Review your field mappings for accuracy. Once confirmed, click Save. You can now preview your Typeform to ensure everything is working correctly. Conduct a test submission to check if the data flows to HubSpot. Log into your HubSpot account and navigate to the Contacts section. Verify that the contact created through Typeform appears in your HubSpot dashboard. If all looks good, your integration is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.